How to get free slider revolution for Avada. If you're using the Avada WordPress theme, good news, you already have access to slider revolution at no extra cost. But how do you activate and use it properly? Let's break it down. When you install Avada, go to the Avada dashboard inside WordPress. Click on the Plugins tab. You'll see Slider Revolution listed as one of the bundled plugins. Click to install and activate it. Keep in mind that while you can use the core features for free, you won't be able to access premium templates or full support unless you purchase a standalone license. Still, for many users, the included version is more than enough. Once activated, you can start creating your sliders by clicking on Slider Revolution in your dashboard. It's a full visual builder where you can create, edit, and manage sliders. You can also import pre-made sliders that come with Avada demos. This saves a lot of time, especially for beginners. Need extra guidance or want to upgrade to get more features and templates? We've shared a helpful link in the video description that you should definitely check out.